Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. The formula that I am telling you today is the very best formula of fish sucker machine. Before I start my project, I request to all my new friends to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that they can easily watch every coming video. This is the diagram of this fish sucker. First of all, we come to know about that all components that we are using in this fish sucker. So I request to all my friends to see the video till the end. This is the ferret core transformer I got from scrap of UPS China UPS scrap. And these are four capacitor of 2200 UF. You can use only one capacitor of 1000 UF. This capacitor is one is enough. Sorry, this is 10,000 UF. And this is the 60 UF capacitor I will use in the output stage. 100K volume for adjusting the frequency. These are four diode FR307 and this is a IN5408 diode. And this is the SCR used in the output stage. Very powerful SCR. The number of this SCR 40 TPS12A, 40 ampere. And these are two condensers 104 PF. And we need three resistance of 15K and two resistance of 680K. We can use only one resistance of 330K. And this is the DB3 trike. Now we start how to make the transformer. I take from this UPS board. So we start this transformer winding. We take for first coil 18 number of SWG wire and we start to warp on it. We warp this coil 18 turns. This is 18 SW wire, SWG gauge wire. Now we count. These are 20. We make it only 18 turns. Now we put sleeve on it and we make the tape on this coil. Now we start another coil. This is a 23 SWG wire and we warp on it only 10 turns. This is for boosting coil. This coil is only 10 turns. This coil gives the pulse to the base of transistors. We make on it the tape again. Now put another tape. for safety. Now we warp on it output coil and we start first layer. When we warp on it the first coil, then we count the all turns. I count these are 40 turns. Now we again make the tape on it and we start second layer of this 23 SWG wire. Friends, in this way we warp on it 6 layers. I make the video very fast here because I don't like to waste your time. So I only tell you how to make the transformer for this fish shaker. All 6 layers are completed. Now we make tape on it very safely. This is the formula of this fish shaker transformer. You can easily make at home. This is very powerful fish shaker, easy to make and not very costly components. Only transistors are costly. Now we make the all connections separate. And we again tape on it. Friends, this winding is completed. Now we put the ferrite core iron. Our transformer is completed, ready for inverter. Now we first of all we start the inverter stage. When we finish inverter stage, then we start the output stage. This is the inverter stage. We start. We take two resistance of 15K and make them in parallel connection, and 104 PF condenser make it also in parallel of resistance, and take a see the diagram same like this, and take the one diode IN5408 and make the silver side, which we call cathode, to the one side of resistance, and other side put on the first wire of transformer, which is the 18 number of SWG wire. Make soldered properly. Now we take the transistors. You can take a D718 12 pieces, and I take the 2N3055. This is a very powerful transistor, NPN transistor, and make the all connections of these transistors. This is emitter, and this is collector heatsink. Top of this is the base. Now we make the connection. This diode anode side we put on the emitter of the transistor, and other side of this coil 18 swg we put on the collectors of transformer transistors. This is the collector of transistors. We put the second edge of first coil on the collector of transistors. Now other coil we use. See, same the diagram, and put first wire of second coil to the resistance of 15K. See this, and other edge of second coil, the last fourth connection of this transformer, take one resistance of 5 ohm in 5 watt. You can take two resistance of 10 ohm in 10 watt. I have only in this time 5 ohm, and I put this resistance on the base of all transistors, base connection of all transistors, and put this wire, fourth wire, on the resistance. If this not work, this inverter stage, you can change the connections of this coil. Now we take the capacitors, we put on power supply, negative and positive. I have one big, same like this, 10,000 UF, power of 4 capacitors. Now we put the negative wire on emitters of the transistors, and put the capacitor on negative and positive supply on the battery connections. Negative on emitters of the transistors, and red wire to the first connection of the transformer. This connection is positive supply, first connection of transformer. Now we check the inverter stage. See, this is working. Now we start the output stage. We take 4 diode of FR307 and make them in series, and take one volume of 100K, and put two resistance of 680K on the one side of this volume. You can use 330K one resistance. And other two connection of volume on the other two connections, we put one resistance of 15K, same like this. Follow to the diagram. Now we put one condenser of 104 PF on the one side of volume, and other to the one side of 15K. See this one side of volume where we put the 680k resistance. Follow the diagram and this one side of 680k to the silver side of diode, cathode of diode. And make the one wire of capacitor on this connection. This is the cathode of FR307, and this wire put to the one side of this big capacitor 60 UF. Other side of this capacitor is output, and take one SCR 40 TPS and put this DB3 trike on the gate of this, and the left side connection of the SCR put on the resistance of 15k. Now the center point is a anode of this SCR. Put one wire on the DB3. Put one wire on the center point of this SCR. See, and to the cathode of FR307. See the connection carefully and follow the diagram. See this trike DB3. Now we connect to the first volume point and to that DB3. Now make connection to the transformer. The output connection of transformer 1 joined to the diodes, and other one joined to the cathode of SCR, and this is also output point of Fischer. See this output of this Fischer. Now we check this Fischer. We take one 200 watt bulb. Now we give the 12 volt power supply. See this, it is working very good. I used the 60 UF capacitor in the output. See this, the shock of capacitor is very dangerous, so avoid to put your hand on it. Very dangerous this capacitor. You need very care to make this. See this, don't put your hand, and put one resistance of 220k on the capacitor of two connections of capacitor. Our this project is completed. Friends, Now put this fish sucker into a box and use for electrofishing. Our today project is completed and wait my next coming video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.